Okay guys, here you go, $3,000 for a load. Here is the semi truck, and as you can see it's a flatbed, and I'm gonna show you a load that's cost $3,000. It only took him 1 day. So this is it, guys. This is a tractor that he's delivered, and it's only took him 1 day, like I said. So I mean, it's 30,000 pound tractor, but hey, you know, $3,000 for a load like this a day, it's not bad. Okay guys, so subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and you know, I wish you, it's a load for a construction, you know, it's a construction going on right here, and you know, I mean, yeah, construction pay is good, guys. So if you ever have any you know, interest in construction business, you know, on a semi truck, it's a good idea for you guys. And I mean, $3,000 a day for a load, I mean, that's not bad. Okay, let's say you will, you know, put 500 on fuel, but still 2,500 take home for a load like that, not bad. So I mean, usually flatbed drivers, they make a little bit more than we do, but you know, it is what it is. Oversized load, guys.